Have you ever whispered to your home, "Turn off the lights," and it listens? No, it's not magic. It's the Internet of Things making your everyday life smarter, smoother, and surprisingly connected. But what if I told you everything you see around you, from your toaster to your city streets, is quietly joining a secret network? A network where devices talk, learn, and act without human hands. Imagine a world where your fridge not only knows you're out of milk, but orders it for you, where your running shoes give you a pep talk, tracking every step and coaching you live. Even your car chats with other cars and traffic lights to get you home faster and safer. This isn't science fiction, it's number IoT, changing the rules of reality. You might be thinking, cool, but how does all of this tech magic happen? Here's the secret. Tiny sensors and chips inside objects gather endless streams of data. These data streams become a nervous system for a digital ecosystem that learns and improves itself. Suddenly, a city with IoT becomes a living organism that adapts, predicts, and responds. Streetlights dim when no one's around. Trash bins tell garbage trucks when they're full. And roads whisper traffic jams before they form. The things in IoT aren't just gadgets, they're collaborators working invisibly behind the scenes. But there's a flip side. As things get smarter, keeping data safe becomes a mission-critical task. Every new connection can be an entry point for cyber attacks. So, while IoT is revolutionizing the world, security experts race against time to keep our data private and our devices trustworthy. What's next? The boundaries between the physical and digital worlds will blur even more. Wearables will monitor your health 24/7 and update doctors instantly. Smart homes will anticipate your needs before you even know them. Entire industries will transform through real-time data from machines talking to machines. This is more than convenience. It's a movement toward a future where technology isn't just around us, it's with us, intimately and intelligently. So whether you're already connected or just starting, one thing is clear. The Internet of Things is no longer the future. It's right here, quietly shaping everything you do every day. Now here's a question for you. What thing do you want to get smarter next? Drop your ideas in the comments and let's brainstorm the future together. If you want more deep dives on AI, futuristic tech, and the secrets behind your devices, hit subscribe and join the ThinkTech AI family, because the future is smart and it's connected. Thanks for watching.